When did you plant the zucchini?
When?
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, I put it, well, a week ago, they were in the greenhouse for a week and then they were out here for a week. I think they look good.
I think they look amazing.
Yep, and there's peppers here. And these are cucumbers.
We'll probably have to get some trellises and stuff up on there.
Sticks or something. And then these are squash.
Squash plants.
Yellow like hooked squash.
Those are the ones we bought from Menards.
Yeah. And they took a little bit of a beating with the storm, but I think with a little love they'll come back. But the big thing is the bean. Come around here, look. So I call this a sprout, okay?
That's a sprout.
That's a sprout because
Okay.
it's coming up, right?
Yep.
But this, my dear, is a plant.
That's a plant.
That's a plant.
So which one's a sprout?
Sprouts are poking out,
Poking out.
but plants stick out. And it looks like
They're really coming up.
they are.
Looks like our little
Some of our
weed guard trick is working.
yeah, some of our chips get in there. Lose a little bit. But what I'm seeing, like there's one. A lot of them have. There's one, a good one. I think they're coming up pretty well. I think they took a little bit of a beating too.
Looks like these are really coming up too.
Mm-hmm.
These are beans too.
These are beans. See, look. Is this a sprout or a plant?
That's a sprout.
No, it's through.
It's through, so
This is a sprout.
That's a sprout.
This is a plant.
That's a plant.
What is this?
Sprout.
Sprout. What is that?
Plant.
What is it?
No, that's a sprout.
That's a sprout.
Because that one there is a plant.
Right. Anytime they're sticking up out of it for an inch or so.
And what?
Ooh,
What
careful.
is this one?
This is beans again, but these were planted at least a week, maybe two after these. So they're on task. They're just down there.
They're just sprouts.
There's sprouts down in there, yeah. These are the peppers.
And how are they coming?
I think they're doing okay. I don't see any. I don't see sprouts or. I can't tell if that's a weed. I think that's a weed. They're so little. Oh, here's some. Here's one over here. There you go.
What is that?
I think that's a plant.
What kind of plant?
It's pepper. Oh, I'm sorry. These are peppers.
These two
These
mounds are peppers. Okay.
So let's take a look over here at the radishes, though. I went a little crazy on the radishes. Look at that. Don't they look fabulous?
They look amazing.
I know. I'm very proud. I want to dig one up and see how it looks. But
You think we could spare one?
probably. How about one at the end? I think.
Yeah, why not?
What do you think? See that little ball?
It's getting all radishy.
Yeah. You know what? I bet if we put it back in there, it will keep going.
You think so?
Yeah. Radishes are pretty hardy. Now this row, I started in the greenhouse, but it doesn't seem, the other ones caught right up with it. So I don't think that the greenhouse was really, I don't think it was really worth it with the radishes.
Not with the radishes.
Yeah, because the other ones that I planted 2 weeks later, they're all caught up. So, but they look good. Looks really good. Weeds are down. Plants are green. It doesn't look like the garden took a beating from the storm,
No, it doesn't.
but I heard we didn't get hail, so I think we're good. I don't think we got any hail. I think we got severe rain, but no hail, so. think we're good. I think we're doing well.